Hello everyone, I am here today. I'm gonna try my volcano because my mom says that I haven't used it in a while. Usually I like concentrate, but I'm gonna try this today.
All right, show them how it's done, Yaz.
Okay.
Do you remember?
Yes.
You got to use that other hand, I think, to help.
Oh yes, it works perfectly.
It does? Good.
It does.
Great.
Yep, it works perfectly.
So tell me, what's the difference between vaporizing that bag and taking your concentrates vaporized? Does it take more of these bags to get you to the feeling of like maybe one dab would?
Yes.
How many bags do you think?
Maybe it's hard enough to say how many bags. Probably 5, maybe.
Damn, 5 bags to equal 1 dab?
Yeah.
Damn. Or a couple dabs,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, because.
You take a couple dabs usually to feel right.
Yeah.
Right on. Well, Team Yazy's at it again today.
Oh yes, indeed.
And Miss Layla is all snuggled up on her mommy's lap.
Oh, my baby.
She is just the best ever.
She is.
All
Yeah, sweetie.
right, what do you say to everybody watching?
Thank you so much for watching, and I will do the next video next time.
See y'all later.
See you later, everyone.
Stay tuned for Alice and Bill
Oh yes, I'm so excited.
with John over at Dispo.
Uh-huh.
Gonna have a good time. And Cureleaf, we got Cureleaf as your first guest next week.
Yay!
Whoop whoop.
I can't wait. I'm so excited.